What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over Bitcoin and how we've been trading it these past couple of days, and how my boy Max over here is just absolutely killing the game. So big shout outs to Max. As you guys can see here, he basically longed the absolute bottom of the trading session that we had yesterday when we were doing it live. So like I said, big shout outs to Max, and we'll just be going over some other things as well that we've been trading lately. And so yeah, as you can also see, Max is live right now in the general TA voice channel. So what do we see going on here? Well, over the past couple of days, let's just go over that information really quickly. Oh yeah, and if you guys want access to the Discord, it's just go down below this video. You'll see the Discord, you'll see bybit. You can get up to $600 for free, not 16. And yeah, you can see this Discord channel right here. So let's just go over it, right? So we had this little, like, I don't know, half moon, whatever you want to call it, half rounded pattern here, because we kind of had the same exact thing here, right? We had this type of a deal, then you had this, and then you have this break up to the upside. And so but obviously here, I'm not going to sit up here and say these patterns work every time, because you had the half moon here and then we didn't break down. We literally went the exact opposite. So but this pattern did end up playing itself out. And as you guys know, if you are part of the supporters group, and again, how you become a supporter is you go down below, you sign up using bybit. If you have any questions about signing up, right here, so you sign up, and then that gets you access to this Neo's ideas section, where anytime I have an idea on any of these coins, I post it up. And then as you can see here, I say congrats to anyone who took this trade. So we were calling for this level to be hit a couple of days ago, the 30th, and I was telling the team we're looking for that kind of level. And then look at that. So what I'm doing with these levels is kind of giving a general overview of what the area that we're looking for, and then you know, you could take those trades if you're with us on the live streams, if you're with us in the Discord and stuff like that. So these are general areas that we're looking for, and then once it gets that general area, we're looking for reasons to get in at like the bottoms and stuff like that. And so, and as you guys can see over here, if we just go back over to Max in the traders and charters, well, there's at one point, this is part of the trade, but he did long even lower than that. That's just one of the trades, because what ended up happening here is that I got front ran. I had this idea right here when we were coming back down. I got front ran by $5. You see this? $5. I got front ran on the idea. And then I said something like, if we go up from here, I'm going to basically go and say, yeah, if we go up from here, I'm going to quit trading forever. And then I come back. I said, well, isn't that nice? And yeah, we're up 2% from there. And then this morning, I'm posting up the fact that, yeah, from that moment, we're up 5% or 4%. So much fun. And then yeah, that's where Max is making fun of me a little bit. He said he got in on that, but I didn't. So yeah, just a lot of fun and games going on over there. So that's how we've been basically trading these past couple of days. We were also trading some of these, as you guys can see over here. I am starting to put up more of my wins and my losses. So you guys can see here, these are some of the wins that I've had recently. On the first, I did end up getting a chance to get this really sexy sniper entry right here. Well, not only did I get the sniper entry, but I did the sniper take profit. So the sniper entry, like, this was like $20 or something like that from the high. And then here I took profit right here. That was $5 away from the low that we had. $5 away from the low, I took profit. So that was a pretty sexy take profit on that. And so, yeah. So now the question is, what are we looking for? Well, right now you can see that the RSI is just in this kind of channel trending upwards. And so one of the things that we are looking at right now is if we break this trend line, and I do go over all of this stuff in my course that I have, but yeah, if we break this trend line and start closing below it, that's when we're probably going to get a nice little reset, because we have just a ton of divergence showing up on the 15-minute. So you can see here, just tons and tons and tons of divergences here with the highs, and the lows are also diverging up. So the thing about when you have this double divergence where it's like it's bullish and bearish at the same time, you never really know which one's going to actually pop up. So since we're in the middle of the RSI, it's possible that we do pop up, but we did come up, take these highs right here. And then we're not seeing any follow through, right? And so that's one of the things that we need to look out for, is we need that follow through, and we're not really getting it. And so it is possible that we come down and fill in these inefficiencies. I think if we go to the 5 minute, they're still there. Yeah. So you just have this move to the upside, like that's like bam. And so let's go ahead and check out the exo charts here. And I also wanted to talk about the fact that I do have this right here. This is my course that I have, going over Fibonacci, going over RSI, going over trend lines, swing failure patterns, 1 minute highs and lows, daily levels, and all this other stuff. So you guys can check that out. But let's go ahead and bring this to the, let's just say 1 minute chart, okay? And let's take a look at what we've got going on here with the single prints. And so you guys can see here on the 1 minute chart, we do have some single prints showing up right here. We have some single prints showing up right here, but more than likely, you know, you could probably use the 5 minute chart. It really just depends on what chart that you're using, but the more the time frame, the more possibility that there are going to be some single prints. So that's what the inefficiencies are, these single prints right here. And so that's what we're seeing right now. We also see on the 5 minute that we have this Asia point of control basically holding us down to the absolute dollar. I wonder if I actually have that on my naked session levels here. Yes, we do. Asia naked point of control to the absolute dull hair. Okay. And so that's what we're looking at right there for possibly holding us down. So not only did we swing failure these highs, possibly swing failure will be, but it would be nice to come down, fill these inefficiencies, and come back down to maybe like 33.8, 900. That's where these resistances are. That's where this strong support resistance flip level is at. So it's definitely possible that we do come down and do something like that. And so, yeah, I think that that's really kind of about it. I do have these ideas for other ideas as far as resistances go for the team that I've kind of pointed out here. And so you guys can check that out in the Bitcoin. And like I said, if you join the supporters, then you'll get access to just this whole Neo's Ideas channel. Okay, that'll get you the Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Cardano. We're trading all of that stuff over on Bybit anyway. So that's another reason why you show up. It's like, okay, well, you can just trade any of these ideas over on Bybit. So I think that's about it for the daily update. I don't want to make this video too long. The way I like to do it is I just like to update the team as time is going on, and the team likes to update me on what they're thinking as well. So it's not just me. You have Steve-O in here, is also in here as well, and you just have other people posting up some of their chart ideas, like Steve-O's amazing non-cluttered chart here. Like, this is just fantastic. This just the non-clutteredness. Absolutely love it. So yeah, that's gonna do it. Kind of given some levels to look at and kind of gone over what we've been doing recently as far as our trading activity goes. And so let's see how it pops off from there.